How about Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid Electric Vehicle or Toyota Corolla Cross GRS, sir? Kalesa M, shoutout sa'yo, tara pag-usapan natin. So what makes this comparison a very interesting one is that both cars are popular for the crossover SUV segment. Yaris Cross is a parang medyo smaller na crossover SUV siya, while the Corolla Cross GRS is a bit bigger or larger or more spacious kumbaga. So what are some of the things that we can consider between these two? So first, sinabi ko na kaagad yung space or yung size pa lang, 'di ba? If you need something really spacious, you want that breathing room, headroom, legroom, and then for the passengers as well, then Corolla Cross would be your choice. But if you're someone that yung mga daily route mo, yung parking space mo, medyo alanganin, then the Yaris Cross would definitely give you more peace of mind, more convenience. And then on paper, Yaris Cross also has the better ground clearance, around 200 millimeters, while Corolla Cross GRS just has around 160 millimeters ground clearance. Now, both of these cars are also jam-packed with the Toyota Safety Sense, advanced driving aids, 360-degree camera, pre-collision braking system, all the blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and then pareho din silang may panoramic moonroof. So sobrang close talaga ng dalawang to. At the same time, yung airbags, I think 7 airbags si Corolla Cross GRS, while I think 6 lang yung kay Yaris Cross. So aside from all of those factors or differences that I've mentioned, this one is actually really close. Siguro it will just really boil down to the budget or the price. 1.6 million for Yaris Cross, while 1.9 million si Corolla Cross GRS. So pagdating sa interior design, interior feeling, medyo mas simple kay Corolla Cross GRS, while super premium para sa akin si Yaris Cross V. But elegant din naman si Corolla Cross with all the red stitchings, the GR branding. So yun lang talaga para sa akin for now. If you wanna know more about both of these cars, search up in my YouTube channel yung model ng dalawang to, then you can find several videos. I'm also gonna be uploading a variant comparison. So yeah, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.